Hi, welcome back to a new lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn about text and the characters. So earlier we have been working with the numerical values. Now we are going to see how you can perform operation using in a text and the characters variable. So when you are working with the text, enclose sequences of characters in a single quote. And then you can assign text to a variable. Suppose that if you want to assign this my text variable with hello world, then you can put it into a single quote. So here hello world. Okay, so you just hit enter. Now you will see here my text hello world, and these two single quote specify that this my text is a numeric, my text is a string. So suppose that if you print here let's say a, let's say you want to do something my is equal to, if you write here hello, so what it will show, it will say that there is error. Why error? So without this single quote, hello will be treated as a value, numerical value, since hello is not assigned anywhere, and in fact this hello is not available into the workspace. So this right value cannot be assigned to this left value. That's why it will show here undefined functions are variable hello. So if the text includes a single quote, then you can use two single quote within that definition. That means, suppose that if you want to print something, let's say you are right, okay, so how you will print it? Then you can do here my text is equal to a single quote hey, okay, and then you can specify here two quote and r and then write. So what it will do, it will skip this first quote and then it will get this second quote. Just print it. Now you will see here, hey, you are right. And if you specify here only a single quote, then let's see what will happen. Then there will be an error, since you are not enclosing this second word. Okay, so just put here two single colon. Now what you will see here, these my texts is an array. Okay, so this is an array of a text. So how you can know more about this, you can just write here whose and then type here my text. So it will show all information available into workspace here. So the my text, it has a size of 1 cross 17. That's mean it takes 17 character, and if you count, it has 17 character here, and the total byte is stored, that is 32 byte. And if you notice here, each byte, each character is a 2 byte, that means the 16 bit. So each character is being stored with a 16 bit, that's mean the 2 bytes. So each character is taking 2 bytes, 17 character, that has a value of 34 bytes, and the class is car. And in the similar way, if you type here whose a, you will see here a is an array cross 3 cross 3, and it stores 72 byte, and its class is double. That's when the type of values which is stored inside this a array, that is double. Right, so in the similar way, suppose that if you want to assign hello to, again, let's say hello world, okay, and suppose that if you want to do concatenation between these two string, then simply you can do it. Let's say long text, if you write here long text is equal to my text, and then you can do here a concatenation. If you type here just a space, it will do with the space concatenation, okay, and then again a comma and then hello, and just close this square bracket and print it. Now you will see here hello, you are right, hello world. So in a similar way, suppose that if you want to convert a numerical value into a string and a string value into numerical value. Let's see how we will do. Okay, so let's say suppose that if you have str val, that's 9. Okay, let's say if you have it's a 71, and if you print it, str is now 71, and that is a string. And if you want to print it into a numeric value, then what you can do, you can convert it into numeric. So let's type here numval. So numval is equal to, now you can do here str to num and just give this variable which you want to convert. So strval. Now the numval, this strval has been converted into numerical value. So this is all about the text and the characters into MATLAB. So thank you so much for watching this video tutorial, and please do not forget to subscribe this channel so that you can get update directly into your inbox. Bye bye, have a nice day.